Hi everyone, it's Mary back with another video. This time we are at the Fairmont in Rockaway, New Jersey. So let's check out this room. I have to apologize because the room was not neat because I forgot to take a video right when I got there because of being so tired because of some travel issues with flights and through the Newark airport. So apologize for that, but all in all, it's very nice Fairmont Inn. This is a 2-queen room on the first floor. So here's the bathroom, hair dryer, and actually a tub shower, which you don't see that much. There was the shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel on the wall, so they don't give you the individuals. Here's a full-length mirror. You can see my messy bed over there in the corner. It had a, microwave, refrigerator, 1-cup coffee maker. Pro tip, go down to the lobby and get the good creamers. So here's a little storage thing with drawers where you can put your stuff away, and you can also put your suitcase on the top of it. There is also room to store your suitcase at the foot of the bed. There's a little space under there. The closet was one of these built-in cabinets. There was some little hooks on the wall. I wouldn't trust them. It looked like one of them had fallen out of the wall. But a little small closet with another hook right there to put a bathrobe or just hang up a coat. So there's this space under the bed, just a little bit of space, but it's enough to kind of store a piece of luggage out of your way, a small piece of luggage out of your way. The beds only had 3 pillows each, which I don't really like that. There are USB ports right there at the desk. Well, let's see, there's one, and outlets, and there were USB ports over here on the nightstand that was in between the 2 beds. Nice TV. It was the first floor. My room looked out onto the parking lot, so it does have that privacy screen that you can see through it a little bit, but no view with this room. It is a lovely area, Rockaway, and there's a nice little downtown area that's very, old and quaint, and some good restaurants. So I enjoyed my visit to Rockaway, New Jersey. So yeah, here's the room. There's the closet. The beds were comfortable, very comfortable. I do wish they had more pillows, but you can usually call down to the desk and ask for more pillows. I'm a pillow person. I always like to have extra pillows. But basically had everything we needed and a very good breakfast. So this is Mary. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please share.